Every year, millions of Americans receive a U.S. passport, a small navy blue booklet that serves as their key to international travel. But this isn't just a travel document, it's a marvel of modern engineering, combining cutting-edge security technology, specialized materials, and meticulous craftsmanship. The process of creating a U.S. passport takes place in highly secure government facilities, where every step is designed to protect against counterfeiting and fraud. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to explore the fascinating, secretive world of passport production, from the raw materials to the final stitching, and revealing the incredible techniques that make the U.S. passport one of the most secure documents in the world. Get ready for a deep dive into a process few ever get to witness. The journey of a U.S. passport begins with its foundation, the paper. Unlike regular paper, passport paper is a specialized blend, crafted to be both durable and tamper-resistant. It's made from a mix of cotton and other fibers, giving it a unique texture that's instantly recognizable to the touch. Embedded within this paper are invisible security features, like fluorescent fibers that glow under ultraviolet light, making it nearly impossible for forgers to replicate without access to the exact materials. These fibers are sourced from tightly controlled suppliers, and their composition is a closely guarded secret. The paper also contains chemical sensitizers that react to tampering attempts, such as solvents or erasures, causing visible discoloration to alert authorities. This specialized paper is produced in secure facilities, often by trusted manufacturers who work exclusively with governments, ensuring no unauthorized access to the raw materials. Beyond the paper itself, additional security elements are woven into the sheets during production. One of the most striking features is the security thread, a thin plastic or metallic strip embedded within the paper. These threads are windowed, meaning they appear at intervals on the paper's surface, and when tilted, they display microprinted designs or holographic images, like tiny airplanes or stars, that shift in appearance. Under UV light, these threads reveal hidden patterns, adding another layer of protection. The paper is also designed with anti-scan patterns, intricate fine-line designs that distort when photocopied or scanned, thwarting digital reproduction. Another key feature is the guilloche pattern, a complex computer-generated design of interlocking lines that's unique to each passport page. These patterns are so precise that replicating them requires the original software and parameters, which are locked away in secure government systems. Together, these features make the paper itself a formidable barrier against counterfeiting. Once the paper is ready, the printing process begins, and this is where the U.S. passport truly comes to life. The printing takes place in ultra-secure facilities, like those operated by the U.S. Government Publishing Office in Washington, D.C., or other designated sites. These facilities are fortresses, equipped with advanced surveillance, restricted access, and rigorous employee vetting to prevent any breach. The primary printing method is offset printing, which delivers the vibrant, high-resolution designs seen on every passport page. Offset printing allows for the creation of see-through registers, images printed on both sides of a page that align perfectly when held up to light, forming a complete picture, like the U.S. Eagle or a map. Even a slight misalignment would be noticeable, making this a powerful anti-counterfeiting tool. The inks used are also specialized, often containing fluorescent or optically variable properties that change color or glow under specific lighting conditions, further enhancing security. In addition to offset printing, U.S. passports incorporate intaglio printing, a technique that creates raised, tactile designs you can feel with your fingertips. Intaglio is used for elements like the intricate borders and the iconic U.S. seal on the passport's cover. This method requires immense pressure and precision, as the ink is forced into engraved plates and then transferred onto the paper, creating a three-dimensional effect that's incredibly difficult to replicate. Some intaglio inks are also formulated with magnetic or infrared properties, detectable only by specialized equipment used by border officials. Another layer of security comes from microprinting, text so tiny it's barely legible to the naked eye but crystal clear under magnification. Microprinted phrases like the United States of America or excerpts from historical documents are hidden in plain sight within the passport's designs, making them a nightmare for forgers to reproduce accurately. The personalization of each passport is another critical step, and it's where the document becomes uniquely yours. After the blank passport booklets are printed, They're sent to regional passport agencies or secure printing facilities for personalization. This process involves laser engraving, which burns your personal details, name, date of birth, passport number, and photo, directly onto the data page, a polycarbonate sheet that's tougher than paper. Laser engraving creates a permanent, tamper-evident mark that's nearly impossible to alter without leaving visible damage. The data page also contains a machine-readable zone, or MRZ, a two-line code at the bottom that encodes your information for quick scanning at border crossings. Hidden within the data page are additional security features, like embedded holographic images that change appearance when tilted and UV-reactive elements that glow under blacklight. Some passports even include a contactless RFID chip, a tiny microchip that stores your information digitally and can be read by compatible scanners, protected by encryption to prevent unauthorized access. The assembly of the passport booklet is a feat of precision in itself. Once the pages are printed and the data page is personalized, the booklet is stitched together using a specialized thread that's resistant to tampering. The stitching is done with such accuracy that any attempt to remove or replace pages would be immediately noticeable. The cover, made from durable, tamper-resistant material, is embossed with the US seal and other security features, like a subtle holographic layer that shifts under light. Before the passport is shipped, it undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Inspectors examine every page for defects, verify the alignment of security features, and test the functionality of the RFID chip, if present. Only after passing these checks is the passport packaged and mailed to its owner, often with additional security measures, like tamper-evident envelopes to ensure it arrives safely. The final layer of security in a US passport lies in its design, which is both functional and symbolic. Each page features iconic American imagery, landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, historical documents like the Declaration of Independence, or natural wonders like the Grand Canyon. These designs aren't just decorative, they incorporate security elements like watermarks and microprinting, seamlessly blending art with technology. The US Department of State, which oversees passport production, works with experts in security printing and anti-counterfeiting to ensure every passport meets international standards, set by organizations like the International Civil Aviation Organization. This ensures US passports are not only secure, but also universally accepted at borders worldwide. The result is a document that's as beautiful as it is impenetrable, a testament to American innovation and precision. Creating a US passport is a complex, multi-layered process that combines advanced materials, cutting-edge printing techniques, and rigorous security protocols. From the specialized paper embedded with fluorescent fibers, to the laser-engraved data page and tamper-resistant stitching, every element is designed to protect your identity and prevent fraud. A small booklet that carries the weight of a nation's reputation across the globe.